Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a friend mail, Happy Mail unboxing from, you guessed it, Anne-Marie. I recently posted quite a few volumes of beads that she's given me. She's sent me 2 packages so far, and then once the last video from the last package went up, she actually sent me another one. So she also included this really nice postcard. This is of some housing on her street, and she said it's a picture from my neighborhood. Don't you love all that snow? No, I don't. That's why I'm in Arizona, but I do love to see it on a picture instead of in my area. But thank you, Anne-Marie. As I've explained in several other videos, she was given some of these beads by her family, and she wanted to share them with me. She doesn't sell, as far as I know, and this is in Canada. It's very cold. And please pay attention to the way I describe beads, because you can look for them or use those as search parameters on Etsy or Google, and that's a great way to find what you're looking for. So I'm seeing a lot of Czech glass again, which I'm really excited about, but I'm also seeing this one bag that has some stone beads in it. So I'm going to start here. And I think this is leopard jasper. Yep, leopard skin jasper. And you could tell that by the dots. Like, it kind of looks like leopard skin or leopard print. And I love it because it comes in several different colors. So we've got yellow and red and brown and oranges. So super pretty. I don't have a lot of leopard skin jasper, but I adore it, and I love that shape. That's a pretty cool shape. Oh my goodness, I think this is Larimar. Oh my goodness, it is. Natural Larimar nugget beads, 8 by 12 millimeter approximately. Recently, somebody in my bead group asked, for a video of me identifying beads. That's a large undertaking, and sometimes I can't explain how I know what a bead is. It's just, I've been handling beads for almost 30 years, and sometimes you just know, but I will try and create either a video or a series around it, identifying beads. So these are gorgeous. One of my favorite gemstones. Thank you so much, Anne-Marie. Those are really wonderful. Oh, some shell beads. Those are so pretty. I love the mosaic. I love how sparkly they are, how beautiful that abalone is. It's so gorgeous. Thank you. Those are kind of big too. I love that. Oh, I see some leather. What size is this? Really nice green. Perfect for the upcoming spring. 1.5 millimeter leather cord, 15 feet. I think it says fern. That's a cool color. I love it. Oh, it's very supple. I love that. That's great. Gotta use some of that soon. I haven't used leather in a bracelet in a while. We've got a pendant. Probably gonna say crazy lace agate on this one. Maybe. Let's see. She did label it. There we go. It's like will she be right or will she not be right? This is a cute little pendant. There's a hole at the top, but look at that. That's a really good piece of crazy lace agate. Both sides are gorgeous. That's wonderful. Thank you, Anne-Marie. Next, I'm seeing another pendant. Maybe rhyolite? I don't know. This one I'm not too confident in. Really pretty, though. Ocean jasper. Yeah, I don't think I would have guessed that, but now that I'm thinking about it, those little dots make sense as ocean jasper. I don't have a lot of ocean jasper. It's kind of hard for me to identify because I don't have a lot of it. Let's see. Oh, we've got some little cute birds, little metal bird beads. Those little cuties. Those are adorable. Thank you. And then, I don't know what this is. It's not dragon blood, but the red reminds me of that. Let's Dragon blood usually has green. Indonesian red moss agate. I don't think I've ever handled this before or seen it, so that's really cool. Seems a little lightweight for a stone, but I mean, it's really nice. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. Thank you. I love it when I see things that I haven't seen before. Got, I think, some coral. Yeah, coral. These are gorgeous. Oh no, we gotta, you know, these chips, these definitely have a tendency to crack. I've had that happen a couple times in shipment. Bamboo coral. Very pretty. Maybe aquamarine. Natural aquamarine nugget beads. 5 by 8 millimeter approximately. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. That's my mom's birthstone and my bestie's birthstone. And I guess my dad's birthstone too. Very cool. This is going to be kyanite. Which, hello, kyanite. Love, love, love. I gotta use some kyanite. I have not a bunch of it, but I do have some. And I haven't used any yet. It's really pretty. Here's some shell. With a nice AB coating. Those are really pretty. Some Amazonite. Got 2 different types in here. So we've got some 8 millimeter faceted. Very pretty. That's a nice strand. And then we've got 2 little drops. Two little faceted drops. This would be really pretty on like a lariat since I don't wear earrings. These are so cute. Perfect color. Thank you. Thank you, Anne-Marie. That's gorgeous. We've got some pearls. Look at the cute little baggie that came in. Oh my gosh, they're really pretty purple. I don't think that the camera is picking up how pretty this purple is. Very iridescent and very like a pale, it's paler than it looks on screen. Oh, that's so pretty. And then one more baggie in this larger bag. Look at these gorgeous pearls. Oh my gosh, look at these coin pearls. That guy, that is so cool. These are gorgeous. Thank you, Anne-Marie. That is stunning. Oh, gorgeous. And then this looks like real turquoise. Yep, she just wrote turquoise, but this is gorgeous. Look at those. Beautiful. Thank you so much. So generous of you. Thank you so much. All right, so let me put these away and then we'll get into some Czech glass. So I have some more storage coming for my Czech glass because I, you know, continuous reorganization, but it should be here this weekend. I'm so excited that I'll be able to put away some of this stuff. This is, there are 3 of these baggies. I don't know that we'll be getting through all of them in this video. I think there's going to be a part 2. First of all, hello. Look at these. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. They're matte coins with cute little gold seahorses on them. Those are gorgeous. I haven't even seen those in the wild before. I'm sure you can find them on Etsy, but I haven't seen them at a bead store. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Then we've got some beautiful... Now these are a little different than the leaves that we usually see. At least I think they're a little different. The veining looks different. These look more like monsteras. I didn't know they made those. Those are pretty cool. And they're matte with a bronze wash. Very cool. Hello. Look at these. I haven't seen these before either. Oh my gosh. They're little angels. Little angel babies. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so sweet. And it's crystal AB. Those are wonderful. Thank you. What are these? Those are neat. I think we've seen this shape before, but not in this color. That's fantastic. It's not turquoise, but it's not teal. I guess it's closer to teal than I don't know. It's like right in the middle of teal and turquoise. Love it. Gorgeous. We've got some big suns. These are stunning. A table cut with a gold wash. Yep, and a Picasso around the side. Love, 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 love. Those are so cool. And then we've got cute little table cut squares in pink and Picasso. Those are yummy. Wow, look at these. They're flowers, but they've got this amazing yellow and red mix in them. Those are cool. Those look like they're straight out of a painting. Piece of art. Oh my gosh, I love these. That is really neat. I love how striking that is. We've got some table cut flowers. I don't know if these are actually flowers, but they kind of look like flowers to me. They're just like circles. Oh, look, they have that satin effect on the inside with the chatoyancy. That's so cool. And then look at these hearts. I have some Czech hearts, but I haven't seen this type of pattern on a Czech heart before. Look at this. It's white Picasso with a green and an AB to make the green look blue at some point. Holy mama, that is a neat bead. Those are really cool. Thank you, Anne-Marie. I haven't seen anything like that before. And then we've got some beautiful blue flowers. These look like a little, like those old printed like napkins and linens and things. That's what that looks like to me. We got some little elephants in turquoise. So cute. I love them. I love them. And then these are really cool. I loved these from the last time she sent them, but this is a neat color combo. Look at that. They've got this amazing AB on them, and then they're beautiful like amber table cut on the sides. Those are neat. Those are really, really cool. It's the kind of bead I don't ever want to use because it's so neat. OMG. Are these buttons? Oh, they're buttons! Oh my gosh. Check buttons. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this owl is a button. Oh, look at this little guy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't even. This is the most perfect button I've ever seen. The most perfect button I've ever seen. You know he's got to turn into a bracelet somehow. Oh, turquoise with the cute little bronze wash on it. That is the coolest button ever. Thank you, Emery. And then we've got a beautiful round aqua one. Look at that little guy. Look at that little guy. He's so cute. And then we've got some little anchors. These almost look vintage. The way they're made, they look vintage. I would almost bet that they are vintage just because some of the paint has worn off, but sometimes you can't tell. Sometimes things are made to look vintage too. So those are pretty cool. And then look at this one. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's got green, turquoise, and purple. You know that's one of my favorite color combos. And this one's a little different. It's painted on the back, and then it's got a crystal top with a gold luster in the middle. But look at that. That is cool. Wow, those buttons are so awesome. Thank you, Emery. Thank you so much. I'm seeing some crystal AB, like matte beads. Oh my goodness. They're like an etched twist bead. So looking at the finish on this bead, you see the shiny piece is Aurora Borealis or AB. Then the texture that we're seeing on this bead is not only matte, but it's also etched, meaning it's got that rough surface. And then they call the clear crystal. They call it with Czech glasses beads that are just clear crystal. So I called it etched crystal AB twisted beads. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen this flower shape before. At least I don't think I have. I don't think I have this flower shape. It's either white or a very light blue. And it's got a gold wash. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, some seahorses in turquoise. Or as my friend Mike likes to say, my friend Michael likes to say turquoise. Yeah, these are cool. Okay, so there are two different, I don't know if you can tell, there are two different colors here. This one's got, it's like opalescent blue, and it's translucent. And then this one's a satin blue. They both have the same wash on them. Those are really cool. Thank you, Anne-Marie. I love little seahorses. So cute. And then we've got some turbines. Picasso table cut turbines in blue. Those are beautiful. I love turbine beads. And then we've got about 3 more things in this video, and then I'll do a part 2. We've got some Tree of Life. I don't think I've seen this before, and if I have, I know I don't have any. Look at them. They're turquoise with a bronze wash. Those are really neat. They almost look like buttons, but they are beads. Although you could turn them into a button. And then we've got some beautiful turquoisey blue leaf beads. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And then some large turbines. I love these huge turbines. Oh my gosh, so cool, and a beautiful amber. Oh my gosh, I feel so spoiled. This Happy Mail was amazing. I can't even tell you what my favorites were. Like these, those buttons, the little, where'd he go? I already lost him. The little owl button. He's tiny, he's hiding. Okay, so you know I love animals. So the seahorse, owl, and these hearts were my favorite from the Czech glass. And then my favorite from the gemstone she sent were the pearls. And I would probably say the Larimar and the Amazonite. So I just, oh, and I can't forget these little angels. They're so cute. So that was part 1. Please stay tuned for part 2. See you soon. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.